Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And what about you?
I'm also good. So,
Okay.
what's your name
My name is Jyoti Sharma.
and where are you from?
I'm from Jori, near in Indore.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. What are your hobbies?
My hobby is to read a book and sing a song,
What kind of book do you like to read?
like Ramayana and Gita.
Okay. So, which is your favorite book? Ramayana and Gita.
My favorite book is Gita.
Okay. Have you read Gita?
Yes, I have read Gita
Okay.
many times.
So, which is your favorite part in that Gita?
My favorite part Gita is Gita, second chapter.
Okay. So, who is the lead character in that book?
Sorry, sorry, I don't know.
Okay.
What are you doing nowadays?
Nowadays, I am doing learning spoken English and looking for a job.
Why are you learning spoken English?
I am learning spoken English at Boston campus
Why? Why are you learning spoken English?
because I need to.
Okay.
And what are your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
My hobby is to read a book and sing a song.
Okay. And tell me about your family.
About my family, there are 7 members in my family.
Okay. And what do you want to be?
I want to be a successful person in my life.
Okay, ma'am. As you said that you are looking for a job, so what kind of job you are looking for?
What?
What kind of job you are looking for?
Sorry, I don't know. I am looking job, teaching job.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Do you have any interest in teaching?
Yes, I have an interest in teaching.
Okay. Which is your favorite subject to teach?
My favorite subject is English.
English.
Yes,
Really? Nice
yes.
to know that. So, which is your favorite part in English? That is a grammatical, it's a literature.
Literature.
Okay. So, as you were saying that, yeah, my favorite subject is English. So, could you understand that well?
Yes, I can understand.
Okay.
Well,
Could you teach us? Could you teach that subject?
yes, I teach that subject.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 5 siblings.
Okay. Do you have any brother?
Yes, I have one brother.
Okay. Your brother is younger than you?
Yes, my brother is younger than me.
Have you taken breakfast?
Yes, I have taken breakfast.
With whom have you taken your breakfast?
I have taken breakfast with my mother.
At what time have you taken your breakfast?
I have taken breakfast at 8:30.
Okay, ma'am. What's your qualification?
Uh, my qualification is I have passed post graduation.
So, from which university did you complete your graduation, post graduation?
CCS University.
And what have you done in that?
Uh,
I mean, what have you done in graduation, like a BA, MA? What have you done?
BA.
BA.
Yes.
And why did you choose BA?
Just like that.
Okay.
Okay, man. Tell me what is your aim?
My aim, I want to be a government teacher.
What are you doing to become that?
I am learning is I am learning spoken English and preparing for government exam.
Why are you coming here?
Because I need it.
Okay. At what time do you come here?
I come here at 10 o'clock.
Okay. At what time will you go from here?
I go from here at 12:30.
Do you like to eat fast food?
Yes, I like to eat fast food.
So, do you have any interest in singing?
Yes, I have interest.
Can you sing?
Yeah, I can see
What kind of song can you sing?
overall.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Which is okay. Thank you, ma'am. It was a nice discussion with you.
thanks. Sir.